the Eastern Cosmodrome is gearing up for a launch. The crew of Crew-8, along with the Russian cosmonaut, is returning to Earth. Recently, Russian scientists have unveiled the mystery behind the formation of the Manatee Nebula. The return to Earth of the manned spacecraft Grebenkin with the crew of the Crew-8 mission, which includes Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Grebenkin, has been postponed to October 13th. The reason for the adverse weather conditions in the waterlogging areas near the Florida coast, as well as the effects of Hurricane Milton. The crew of the Crew-8 mission, which includes Alexander Grebenkin, has been working at MK since March this year. At the Vostochny Cosmodrome, several devices are being prepared at once, 2 satellites and Ionosphere-M, as well as an associated payload of student satellites and devices of the Russian company Citronix GRU Ionosphere, the newest Russian satellites of the Space Weather Monitoring System. Funds will be able to transmit information on physical phenomena occurring on the Earth as a result of active impacts of natural or anthropogenic nature. In addition, Roscosmos specialists are preparing for the launch of the radar satellite Condor FCA No. 2. This satellite is designed for continuous monitoring of Earth's surface in all weather conditions. The launches are slated for this coming fall. Cosmonauts of Roscosmos Sobor TISS conducted monitoring of emergency situations using a hyperspectrometer in the visible and near-infrared ranges of the spectrum. Also this week, the Russian crew conducted experiments aimed at studying the high-speed crystallization of peryptic alloys in weightlessness. Let us remind you that Roscosmos cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin, Alexander Grebenkin, Ivan Wagner and Alexander Gorbanov are currently working on board the Russian segment. Russian astrophysicists from the Institute of Space Research of the Russian Academy of Sciences and the Yofi Institute of Physics and Technology have proposed a new model for the formation of the giant radio nebula W50, known as the Manatee Nebula. This object surrounds the model 433 microquasar, explaining the mechanism of the formation of the nebula through the influence of a powerful stellar wind from the black hole on the surrounding interstellar medium. A significant part of the energy released during the creation of cosmic rays and accumulates in a hot gas bubble inside the nebula. As a result, the total amount of energy released at this stage of the object's existence exceeds the energy of the supernova explosion that gave birth to this system.